So let's build this puppy up. This is a KBD67. Brass plate. There's a foamy thing gasket. Whoa. All the ones I've got left at the minute. I don't know about. This thing's a beauty thing. Look at this. Seeing that's a bit of a mark, we won't see it. Some use little bits like feet and stuff. And stabs. These stabs look pretty bad. Standard ones. Need to start getting some new stabs. So we'll have to work out what we got. Got some jelly starfish. These ones I can find. I've probably got some more somewhere. Some sponge. Jelly white. Pinks. Or wine red. Okay, then we've got pale blue. NK. What's it called? It's like tactile bump. This is a Gaz GAZZEW. Don't know which one it is though. Probably should. Can't remember. Bought loads. I think these are called Jade or something. There's no tactile bump on these. These are just linear. It's got tactile bump, this one. Same company. These are KO Square. We don't want them, do we? We don't want them. I think these ones are oil. Is it something? Gateron oil or King oil, or whatever they call these ones. These are linear. Hang on, we'll have a look. I don't remember what these feel like. Whoa, no. A couple of spare screws there. Okay. So we're given those 3 screws, these little babby ones, some more little babby ones. We're going to put the stabilizers on, I guess, first. Right, let's lube these up then. You got little screws and these are the screws. Right. Okey-doke. Oh god. Right. So we've done that now then. So now we can put that together, can't we? Can we screw it together now? Are these the screw points? You've got 4 mounting points at the bottom. That's what we're saying, foam first, then switches. This gasket thing. Ooh, got a nice brass plate. Oh, actually that screws then into there like that. Right, Everglade Jade Black. Bit tactile. Try the 4 corners first. Sounds like they're clicking in now. I think because the plate was flexing quite a bit, that's what I found was difficult. Don't know, hard work. These fingers are hard work. Oh my days, my hands. Right. Now we're ready to put it in. Scratch begin. Ooh. There's no screw plate. Is that it? Screw it. I feel like the USB port won't line up well. Like it's not far off, but. Oh, I see. And then it screws in. Screws into the top plate. Right. Okay. Go back to the top. Now, here's the question. Do we go full purpley blue? Or do we have a bit of red in there? I'm feeling a bit of red. I'm gonna have some anyway, because the arrow keys. So. Do we get red spacebar though? Cat paw for the escape. This thing is a fingerprint beast. Here she is. Oh no, I'm not a foot off. Goddamn feet. this thing's tight. Like that. There's a K5 extra phi. Sounds better compared to these, doesn't it? That rattle's a bit annoying. It sort of stabs out, like you say. And what else we got? GMK. That Gloria sounds right. Here's the last one. This one sounds right. Looks a bit weak, I think.